For centuries, we've scanned the skies for threats.
Now, a new object demands our attention.
Discovered last year, Comet 3I/Atlas was dismissed as a minor visitor from deep space.
But in the last 72 hours, new data has emerged. And the new models are terrifying. The data suggests 3I/Atlas is not just passing by, it's accelerating. To understand the threat, we spoke with Dr. Arden Reed, who has been tracking Atlas since its discovery.
Comet 3I/Atlas is what we call a long-period comet. It's essentially a large, dirty snowball. Its original orbit was calculated to pass Earth at a distance of over 50 million kilometers. Perfectly safe.
Perfectly safe. That was the official story. But what explains the new telemetry? 3 days ago, the comet began to outgas violently. It's acting less like a snowball and more like a rocket.
This acceleration is real. So we asked Dr. Reed the obvious question. Is it accelerating towards Earth? Acceleration is a loaded term. These are non-gravitational forces. The outgassing is pushing the comet, but not towards Earth. That is a gross misinterpretation. The new trajectory is.
Doctor, respectfully, we can't ignore the potential danger.
But other models, ones the major agencies are reviewing,
Paint a different picture, a picture that ends on December 15th.
is an impact confirmed?
No. But for the first time, the probability is no longer zero.
So why are some governments suddenly classifying all new data on 3I/Atlas? Coming up, the cover-up.
For 48 hours, the public data stream on 3I/Atlas went dark. The official reason? Routine calibration.
But sources inside the European Space Agency tell a different story. The calibration was a shutdown. They're hiding the new orbit.
Why classify the data now? Dr. Reed insists the risk is minimal, but governments are not acting like the risk is minimal.
The models become complex. When a comet fragments, predicting the trajectory of each piece is statistically challenging. We are monitoring all debris, but we remain confident in the primary.
Statistically challenging. But this leaked internal memo suggests the debris is the whole problem.
The data blackout wasn't about the comet, it was about its fragments. And one fragment is on a new course.
We've seen this before. In 1994, Shumavy 9 fragmented and pummeled Jupiter.
The impacts left scars larger than Earth. Now, we are the target.
This is the scenario they are hiding. A fragment event impacting Earth's orbit on or around December 15th.
So what is the plan? While officials stay silent, we investigate the doomsday tide.
Coming up, can we shoot it down? We analyze the top secret missions that may be our only hope.
If the comet won't change course, we have to change it. We spoke to planetary defense expert Dr. Kenji Tanaka.
The primary option is a kinetic impactor, a high-speed probe. We proved this concept with NASA's DART mission. You hit it, you
Nudge it off course. But DART had years of planning. We have weeks. The launch window is the problem.
Or is it? 2 weeks ago, a classified military launch lifted off from Vandenberg. Its payload was never declared.
But what if the impactor misses? That leads to the nuclear option, a final, desperate defense.
Absolutely not. You do not use a nuke on a dirty snowball. 3I/Atlas is not a solid rock. It's a loose aggregate of ice and hand.
Gravel. Hitting it with a nuclear device doesn't move it. It creates a shotgun blast.
The shotgun blast scenario. Instead of one impact, we'd face hundreds, making defense impossible.
This could be the real reason for the data blackout. The defense options are useless.
If we can't stop it, what happens when it arrives?
Coming up,
The December 15th impact simulation. We model the target zones and the consequences.
What does an impact from a dirty snowball look like? The answer depends on two things: where it hits and what it's made of.
Dr. Elora Vance runs atmospheric impact models for government agencies. She says we are not prepared. This isn't a solid iron asteroid. It's a loose aggregate of ice and rock. This means it won't just hit the ground. It will likely detonate in the atmosphere, a massive, high-altitude airburst.
We saw a tiny preview of this in 2013 over Chelyabinsk. That was a 20-meter rock. The Atlas fragment is estimated at over 200 meters. The blast would be thousands of times more powerful.
The immediate danger isn't the fireball, it's the overpressure. The shock wave, it's a wall of...
A wall of air moving faster than sound. Models show it leveling buildings in a 50-mile radius.
So, where is the most likely impact zone? This is the data they're hiding.
According to the leaked orbital models, the primary target isn't land. It's the northern Pacific Ocean.
People think an ocean impact is safe. They are wrong. It is potentially the worst-case scenario.
You're not just displacing water, you are vaporizing billions of tons of it instantly.
The result, a megatsunami, an event not seen in modern human history.
The wave would travel at the speed of a jet, scouring coastlines thousands of miles from the impact site.
Coming up, the date is set. The threat is real. What is the survival plan? And who gets left behind?
Janice Shaw planned continental-scale evacuations for 20 years. We asked her about the public plan for a mega tsunami.
There is no plan. Let's be clear. You cannot evacuate the entire west coast of the United States.
A Category 5 hurricane gives you days.
Right.
A tsunami from this, you'd have hours,
Yeah.
maybe minutes. The infrastructure would collapse instantly.
Yeah.
But the tsunami is only the first catastrophe. Dr. Vance warns the real threat is what the impact kicks into the atmosphere.
All that vaporized water and pulverized rock are ejected into the stratosphere. It creates a veil.
This veil reflects sunlight. We're not talking a few degrees. We're modeling a global impact winter event.
A global winter means total crop failure. This is the real reason for the silence, to prevent panic and protect resources.
The survival plan you hear about, the bunkers, that's not for you. That's a continuity of government plan. It's designed to save the system, not the population. It's a plan to manage the survivors, not to create more of them.
So is this confirmed? We went back to Dr. Arden Reed, who still insists the risk is being misinterpreted.
The data is complex.
The point?
Non-gravitational forces are unpredictable. But an impact
is unconfirmed. Then explain this. This is the new telemetry, leaked 30 minutes ago. And this is the leaked final calculation. It shows the fragment's path intersecting Earth's orbit. The date is confirmed.
The science is settled.
The impact is coming. The date is set. The cover-up is over. The only question left, what do you do now?
We are tracking the impact zone.
It's coming right for us. Get moving! Let's go, let's go!
My fellow citizens, I regret to inform you that we are facing an unprecedented crisis.
Stay in your homes. That's not a plan. That's a request for an orderly death. The real plan
was already in motion. As the public was told to stay put, the continuity of government bunkers were sealed.
For everyone else, the countdown began.
A desperate, hopeless scramble for inland safety.
The sky is a shooting gallery. We always knew it. We never thought now.
We had the technology. We proved it could work. But we weren't looking. Not until it was too late.
The impact on December 15th is the event. The winter that follows. That is the extinction.
So the acceleration of 3I/Atlas was not a mystery. It was a death warrant, delivered from the dark.
A reminder that our world is a fragile ship on a very dark ocean.
The time for plans, for warnings, and for cover-ups is over. This is Mark Jenkins, signing off.
$1.2 million megatons, 92% atmospheric ash. We never expected this.
Event confirmed. Event confirmed.
For those on the coasts, the end was swift. The wave, traveling at the speed of a jet, erased 50 million people in 12 hours. For everyone else, the end was slower. The impact winter predicted by Dr. Vance arrived not in weeks, but in days.
The sun vanished. Temperatures plummeted. The sky began to fall.
The continuity of government plan worked perfectly. Deep underground, the chosen few sealed themselves off.
Their mission, to manage the survivors. But as the weeks turned into months, it became clear the science was correct. But the scientists who warned us were gone. The question was no longer who would be saved, but what exactly would they be saved for?
3I/Atlas.
Are we looking hard enough?
Log, cycle 9452. The long night protocol remains in effect. Surface temperature, still critical.
Report, technician.
Atmospherics are stable, Commander. No change in particulate count.
The Echo protocol remains silent?
Yes, Commander. Silent. As always. Is anyone... They've known. They're not saving humanity. They're just saving themselves.
Warning. Surface access is forbidden. Protocol 1 remains in effect.
Override accepted. Warning. Atmosphere unknown. Biosphere unknown. Open.
Okay, just breathe. One step at a time.
No, no, where are you? Come on. Warning, vitals critical.
You're one of them. From the Ark. We thought you were ghosts.
The signal. I heard your signal. We've been broadcasting for 5 years. Why now? It doesn't matter. Your Ark, it's poisoning the sky.
You're not surviving the long night. You are the long night. You have to shut it down.
That will kill everyone inside. That's my home.
They made their choice 25 years ago. Now you have to make yours. The world, or the Ark.
You're lying. The air is toxic. The long night. The Ark is toxic. It's killing the thaw.
You have one cycle, one rotation. Shut it down or we will. We know where your main vents are.
You can't! You'll flood the filters, you'll kill us all!
You're already doing that to us.
I won't let you kill them, and I won't let them kill you. There has to be a way.
All security units to level 7. Find South Asian technician Elara 2. She is compromised. Subdue. Subdue by any means necessary. She has broken Protocol 1. She is a bio threat.
Technician! Stand down. Get back! We've lost power! Seal the corridor!
Point, she cut the power. Sector, dark.
The geothermal core. She's going for the core.
I was born in these walls. I know in these walls.
All units, fall back. Secure the living quarters. I will intercept the threat at the core.
Protocol 1, Elara.
You know the law. The Ark is sacrosanct.
Step away from the console. The Ark is sacrosanct, but the world is not. Thorn, the surface, it's alive. I saw it. We are the poison.
Lies! I saw the sky burn. I breathed the ash. The long night is eternal. You are delusional.
You can't hide, Elara!
Thorn Protocol 1 must be upheld.
We fight for the future of the surface, Thorn. You can't hide from the past forever.
The past taught us survival. The Ark is all that matters.
No. No. My minutes.
You've doomed us. You've doomed the Ark. You've breached the containment.
No! You did! You destroyed the console! You broke the shutdown! The vent. We can flood the core. It will cause a scram, a manual shutdown. An explosion will crack the bedrock. It will kill the Ark and the surface. It will poison everything. We have to stop it! Warning. Meltdown in 3 minutes!
you destroy?
Our home, the Ark, is sacrosanct.
There is no Ark. Not without a world.
Core scram initiated. Geothermal shutdown complete.
What happened to the lights?
The core stopped humming.
Are we still safe down here? I don't hear anything.
The core is offline. The poison is stopped. Thorn is gone. The core is offline. The poison is stopped.
The Ark is failing.
You have...
It's opening. The door's open.
See? I'm human. Just like you.
She was right. The air is clean. Get your coats, we're going outside.